Fear and Greed Index. Fear dominates in the cryptocurrency market as the price of Bitcoin approaches $30,000. Fear and Greed Index shows number 10, which is extreme fear. Obviously, we see a lot of panic sells, but data suggests that whales and momentum traders may be interested in accumulating in this range. Several factors, including rising interest rates, the end of the Federal Reserve's easy money policies, uncertainty about the war in Ukraine, declining stock prices, and concerns about Terra's USD stablecoin, are influencing the price at the moment. 6 weekly closes in the red. In any case, there is little to be optimistic about when it comes to Bitcoin price charts this week. The weekly close on May 8 at $34,000 meant that BTC USD delivered its 6th weekly red candle in a row. That chart feature hasn't been seen in nearly 8 years, with the most recent occurrence occurring in August 2014, according to data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Bitcoin was in the second year of its full-year halving cycle at the time, having seen its first blow-off top in November 2013 at just over $1,000. However, this cycle has been different in that the blow-off top either did not arrive or was much more muted than previous cycles. Ethereum staking record. Ethereum has reached yet another milestone as the transition to proof of stake approaches. According to data, Ethereum staking locked within the contract has now surpassed 10% of the total ETH supply. Based on the current price of ETH, this amounts to more than $35 billion in staked value. El Salvador. After weeks of silence on all things Bitcoin, El Salvador's outspoken president Nayib Bukele took to Twitter to announce that his government has purchased $15.4 million in BTC, and to show off plans for Bitcoin City. However, opponents continue to issue warnings, with a former central bank chief criticizing Bukele's plans to fund the city's construction with a Bitcoin bond issuance. Binance suspends Luna and USD token withdrawals. At the time of writing, the Luna token was down 52% on the day, while USD was trading at 76 cents. Binance has suspended withdrawals of Luna and USD tokens due to network slowness and congestion. Binance will reopen withdrawals for these tokens once the company believes the network is stable and the volume of pending withdrawals has decreased, according to a statement. Traders reported that the order book for Luna and USD appeared to be frozen Tuesday morning, with no orders going through. According to Twitter reports, traders have been unable to sell USD for less than 70 cents. Kraken and CoinList have also suspended withdrawals at this time. FTX is currently still processing withdrawals of USD. Instagram supports NFTs. According to CoinDesk, Meta's social media powerhouse is planning NFT integrations for Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and Flow. These networks host the vast majority of digital collectibles trading, with Ethereum and its bored apes leading the way in terms of market capitalization. Instagram plans to support popular crypto wallets such as MetaMask. Users will be able to prove NFT ownership, display them on their profiles, and tag the creators who created them by plugging in their wallets. The decision will almost certainly result in a flood of new cultural visibility for NFTs. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users, with many of them using the platform to promote and market their artwork. Azuki's owner abandoned projects. The founder of Azuki, known on Twitter as Zagabond, detailed his involvement with the projects CryptoFunks, Tendais, and CryptoZunks, all of which were abandoned by their original founding team, in a blog post. The announcement sparked outrage in the broader NFT community, with many believing the information would be made public in the coming days through on-chain sleuthing. On the secondary marketplace OpenSea, the price of an Azuki dropped from 19 ETH to as low as 10.9 ETH, but has since rebounded to 12 ETH. Azuki's has sold over approximately $526 million in total sales volume since their launch in February, ranking them 6th among NFT projects. Japan's Prime Minister promotes Web3, NFT focus at Investors Summit. Fumio Kishida, Japan's Prime Minister, has stated that Web3-related growth, including metaverse and non-fungible token, will be part of the country's future growth strategy, and has urged British business leaders to support his initiative. According to CoinPost, Kishida delivered a speech to bankers and professional investors at London's Guildhall, in which he stated that his government would implement institutional reforms to create an environment that facilitates the creation of new services, including Web3-related infrastructure. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to learn more about cryptocurrencies and NFTs, don't forget to subscribe.